Yo, Selena in this bitch, better get lit. What's up? What's up? Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you this look right here on the screen. Show you how to get the match this look on my face. This beat, this ombre cool color beat. So you need these look clips right here from Dollar Tree. They come in like, you get 2 of each color in the pack. You'll need to use 2 greens, 2 blues, and 2 purples. And you need this right here, that agua, that drip on the water, yes. And then you need this right here, handy dandy eco style gel. Just need a little bit, and then you need this brush right here. This brush, I got this brush also from the tree, and I did get a comb from there. But you can part your hair how I have my hair in 2 ponytails, but you can part your hair down the middle, like straight down the middle, and then just basically just make sure this part is stretched out. So then you'll spray water all over. I like to fluff my hair out with my hands. Then what you do is you'll take this Eco Style Gel, the olive oil, shea butter, and castor oil. You'll take a little bit, like 3 fingers full, tip full, and then you'll just start putting it right where like the part at, like, you know, don't go too deep with the part, but just right there. You'll do the same for this side too. Spray it, hand it down. Ooh, yeah. And then you'll take your brush. I don't even know where I put it in. Then this is a good brush, y'all. Then you'll brush it down. Brush it down. Brush it down. Brush it down. Period. And if you're a bald head, or if you was a bald head, or if you is, or if you, I don't know, you probably can still finesse this look too. So, but the clip I use first is green. So you'll just go back and forth. You use green first, and just put it, and clip it. You use green, then blue, and see my hair be waving up, and then purple. It might look different from the picture, but it's still gonna do what it gonna do. You feel me? And then you'll use blue next line. You'll use purple. My bad. Like I said, you'll just go according like the next color. It'll be purple. Then you'll go blue. Then you'll go purple. Period. Hashtag period. Hashtag that be it. And then you'll just fluff your hair out. Your hair should be wet. It helps with the fluff. And then bam, that's it, period. We out here pimping and pimping it on. Well, that's my look, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Selena out this bit. Stay lit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye, cousins.